Hey all, this is just a quick video that will hopefully help somebody who is trying to figure out how to line up their Bosch 1617 EVSPK router with the table, which is an RA1181. There's quite a bit of holes in the tabletop, and it took me a little while to figure out how to line the holes up, and at least one other person has asked about this since I originally posted my question. So this video is just to hopefully help anybody else that might have this question. So let's flip to the other camera. All right, so here is the Bosch RA1181 router table. This is what the top of the table looks like, and you might be able to see, and I'll show better positioning of these once I put the fixed base underneath the table. But you can see the holes that I've got marked with Sharpie, hopefully. Let me get something to point at those with. There's this hole right here, this one up here, and then finally the third hole over here. So I'll keep it here for a little bit so you can kind of get an idea of which holes these are in relation to the other holes on the base. There's an overtop view right there, and this is from the front of the table, as you can see. Okay, so here we have the base. Now, looking at the base, I've also marked holes. Now, the way this goes in, let's see here, it would go like that. So you see the way I have those three holes lined up, and that matches up with those holes that I have marked down there. So I'm going to see if I can put this on a tripod and you can see me put this in a position. Be back short. Here we go. I'm not a videographer, so I'm probably not doing this in the easiest way for y'all to see what's going on. But let me see if I can. All right, so here's when I put this under it, the orientation is going to be, this is terrible, you can't really see what I'm doing, but I'm going to line this up under the table with the adjusting knob pointing forward, and I'll just look through the holes in the here to see when I can line up the Sharpie. I don't know if you're going to be able to see this from the top, but there, so there's one of the marked holes right there, and that one, let's see if I can get a screw and put it in there when I get it lined up. All right, so there's that one. Just get it started. Now you can also see that there's a dust shield at the back right here, so you know your orientation is correct if it's lined up like that. So then again, looking through here, I can see the Sharpie mark there lining up with the Sharpie mark here. And so just take this, get it started, and then the third one is right over here. Now I'll just take a screwdriver and tighten those up. And that's all there is to it. Top-down view again, so you can see which holes you need to be lined up with, and this should work every time. If you have any questions, just drop me a note and let me know. Have fun.